Hello all, welcome to the series of Network Security Essentials. In this session, we will see a very important algorithm that is a Playfair cipher. In earlier sessions, we have seen a Caesar cipher, simple substitution cipher algorithm. This is one of the extended algorithm which works with a pairs of letter instead of a single letters. Okay, so this is a very important algorithm. For example, here I am having one keyword or you can say a message. So these letters can be paired. Okay, so AM will be one pair and then second OL will be the second pair. Likewise, for original message, we are creating pairs and then we are using some keys. So those key are added in the 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, because we have 26 alphabets and those 26 alphabets will be added in the 5 by 5 matrix along with the key. So now how can we add that? There some rules are there for that purpose. So let's consider here I'm having one original message that is let's consider J A double Z. This is the message. This is the data and key is for example AMOL is the key. Okay, so as I mentioned, make a pair of original message. So let's consider our original message again here, JA double Z. So make a pair. So there are some rules for making the pair. If similar letters are there, in that case, along with the letters, we have to append X. If similar letters are there, so along with the letters, we have to append X. For example, here J will be the first pair, right? But here JZ are the similar letters. So for this purpose, we have to append X with the first Z. So Z with the X. Okay, because these are the similar letters. Okay, that is why X we are appending. And here for the second Z again ZX. Okay, so we will take one more example. Let's consider Prit. P-R-E-E-T. This is our original message. Okay, so we have to make a pair of original message in a first step. That is our first step of play pair algorithm. So PR will be our first pair. Then see here, EE are the repeated keywords, repeated words. So in this case, for first letter, we have to append a X, E, X. This will be the second pair. Now, in this particular example, again, two letters are remaining, which can be paired, right? And which are also dissimilar. So that is why ET. If T is not there, in this case also, we can write EX. Okay. One more example we will take. Let's consider we are having uh, one uh, one message which is having some odd numbers. Okay, V I B H U T E. This is the original message having some odd value. So firstly we will make a pair. VI will be the first pair. BH will be the second pair because there are no repeated key words here. UT is the third pair. Now what about this E? So rule is saying that if odd numbers are there, append the Z with that odd number. Okay, so here we are adding the Z. So likewise, these two rules for pairing the original message we have to remember. Now coming to the next rule is saying that whatever key size is there, that key value will we have to add into the 5 by 5 matrix. So here I am generating one 5 by 5 matrix. And whatever keys are there, so those keys will be added in this matrix. So in this case, key value is AMOL. Okay, so one more column we have to add. 5 by 5 matrix we have to create firstly. 3, 4, and this will be the last one. Fine. So matrix is created. Now in this matrix, we have to add the keys. Where is the key? This is our key. So this key we have to add. But remember that whenever we add key in this matrix, there should not be repetition of letters. Means A will be the single letter. We have to add M, O, L. No repetition is there. And remaining whatever letters are there of alphabets, how many alphabets are there? 26. Okay. And one alphabet I and J, here I have written each of 25 alphabets must be unique and one letter of alphabet, usually J, omitted from the table. So we have to remove or eliminate J from the table. So remaining 25 alphabets can be added instead of 26. Or if plain text is having J value, then we have to replace J with the I. Okay, so that is the one of the story. Or in some cases, you can write I with a J. So here AMOL is our keyword. Fine. Now remaining alphabets from sequential format we will add here. B will be there. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I or J or both can be added. So I am writing I along with a J. Fine. So in some cases, as per rule here, you can omit J and we can write any one single letter, but now I'm using both the letters. Then K, L. Okay, so rule is saying that there should not be repeated of a similar word. So K is L is already there in this particular column, so I'm skipping that L. M, yes, M is also there, so skip it. O is also there. M. Then N is remaining. O is also there. N, O, P will be there. Then remaining keywords Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this matrix we have created. Now with this matrix we have to convert, for example, this particular uh, original message, that is a J double Z. So as per the rule, we have created the pair of original message, that is JA is the first rule, first pair, ZX is the second, and ZX is the second. Okay, so these two letters are similar, that is why we have appended XX. Fine. Now, so this J we have to find out in the table. So where is the J? You can see here J is present in this particular cell. And where is the A? A is here. Okay. So if this is the situation, A and J are not there in the same column or same row. Okay. So if these letters are not there in the same column or same row, in that case, what we have to do? We have to create a rectangle. So for this purpose, for this we are creating a rectangle like this is a rectangle. Okay, consider this is the rectangle because I'm making the circle for simplicity, because a and these first two columns I am taking, because in a first column my a value is there and in a second j is there. Now make a rectangle, and as per the sequence of letters, just to take the opposite letter. Okay, so here opposite of A is M. For A, we can take M, and but see the sequence is here. So that is why we will consider firstly for J. Opposite of J is H. You can see the table. In a table, opposite value of J is H. Fine. Opposite value of A in that same created rectangle is M. H and M. Now what about ZX? Where is the Z? Z is here at the last and X is here. So if two letters are in the same row, these two letters X and Z are the same row, that rule is saying that take the letter to the right of each one, going back to the left if at the farthest right. Now see here, after Z there is no letter. So just come back in the same row and take a first letter from the same row. For Z, we can have the V. What about X? Immediate next right letter. For X, immediate next letter is a Y. And for Z axis, again same, VY. So this is our converted ciphertext. So in next video, we will see one more example which will be important for you. Thank you.